are sick. Feel better. Feel better soon. We miss you. Love, Mrs. Orange.
Okay.
Sorry you are sick. We feel better. We miss you. Isabella loves you. I love you, Isabella. No. And I love you guys.
Okay, what's the next one from?
I don't know. It doesn't have a name there.
Oh, okay.
Kiara, I think. Yeah, Kiara.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Feel better soon. We miss you. Love, Kiara.
Sound it out. Really? Really.
Really?
I really
Miss you. I love you, Kiara, too. I'll come back someday.